30 days ago, I gave an AI full control over my finances. It tracked every purchase, moved money into savings automatically, and even decided how much I should spend. And honestly, I didn't know if this was a genius idea or a terrible mistake. Most people try to budget manually, but let's be real. Almost nobody sticks to it. So I built a simple AI system designed to do three things: track my spending, analyze my habits, and automatically move money into savings. Then I let it run for 30 days. The first week was strange. The AI started moving small amounts of money into savings almost every day. Not big transfers, just tiny ones I barely noticed. But by week 2, something interesting happened. The system began predicting my expenses. It adjusted how much it saved depending on upcoming bills and spending patterns. By week 3, the AI made a decision I almost stopped. It suddenly reduced my spending allowance and pushed a much larger amount into savings. At first, I thought it was wrong, but it had actually predicted a slow spending week. And by the end of the experiment, the results were surprising. Before the AI experiment, I had about $200 sitting in savings. After just 30 days, the system had automatically saved over
3,000.
But the craziest part wasn't the amount. It was the fact that I barely thought about saving at all. The AI handled everything in the background, which makes me wonder, if AI can already manage money this well, how long before it replaces budgeting entirely? In the next experiment, I'm letting AI try something even riskier. I'm going to let it invest my money, and that could either go really well or really wrong.